Hi everybody, Dr. Jen Ashton here at Good Morning America. Wanted to talk to you today about holiday heart syndrome. This is a known observed phenomenon whereby there is a bump in the rates of generally arrhythmias, so things like atrial fibrillation or premature atrial contractions or certain types of tachycardia. These are electrical issues or electrical disturbances in the heart rhythm that's seen around December holidays. The number one most consistently linked causative agent reason, alcohol. And we've seen that before in the cardiology literature where we see at other times of the year, people who consume alcohol, even a moderate amount, we're not even talking about excessive amounts, are more prone to AFib or atrial fibrillation, particularly women. But if you're feeling a strange fluttering sensation, palpitations in your chest, and then you're feeling something that's irregular in your neck or your wrist, that can be a sign and symptom that you're having an arrhythmia. Certainly if that is associated with any feeling of dizziness, nausea, chest pain, lightheadedness, that's something that you want to go to the nearest emergency room. Otherwise, this is normally evaluated with an EKG. This can happen to anyone, and so you shouldn't assume that just because you're 20s, 30s, 40s, that it's not a big deal. If you feel something weird and your gut is telling you that it's not right, get it checked out. General health and wellness advice during this holiday season: keep your wellness rituals and routines as consistent as possible. So what does that mean? Sleep. Really try to prioritize that. And lack of sleep has been associated with a variety of cardiac events. Eating and drinking also. Again, you want to enjoy most things in moderation, fine. Try to stay middle ground and avoid that excessive consumption. And lastly, stress. We don't talk about it enough as a risk factor for heart disease and cardiac events, but it is. If you're feeling emotionally, psychologically, mentally overwhelmed, check in with a friend, someone who can support you in some ways, someone you can vent to. There are great mental health and wellness apps now, and certainly mental health professionals. If you're in contact with one, reach out. And happy holidays.